Are you in search of cost-effective routes that provide high-quality calls? Twiching offers non-CLI routes, a cost-effective and reliable alternative to traditional routes. Our non-CLI routes offer a robust and scalable infrastructure, helping you to improve your communication capabilities, increase flexibility, and boost your business growth. We provide top-quality non-CLI routes and are designed to provide you with the best quality calls at the most competitive prices in the market. We prioritize customer satisfaction, and we offer customizable solutions that cater to your specific requirements. Our dedicated team of experts is on standby to provide round-the-clock support and assistance to ensure that you achieve your communication goals. Whether you need to make an important sales call or host a conference, our non-CLI routes offer the reliability and flexibility you need to stay competitive in today's fast-paced business environment. So why wait? Contact us today to learn more about how our non-CLI routes can empower your business with the communication and technology you need to succeed.